level, that's when I'm gonna initiate the short. So we're almost there. Yeah. So I initiated the short position. Stop loss is gonna be twice the ATR more or less. So at about 50 points. Let me just adjust. Again, it could go either way. Obviously, the first opportunity that arose was the short run because, again, we can see clearly the nice level. We had a bounce here. We held pretty nicely here, even though we didn't really bounce that strongly. We can clearly see we held pretty nicely. Then we dropped from here and here. So that's why I'm treating this sort of like a double top in a way. And we can clearly see also if you switch to the line chart, you see this classic W pattern. Now again, obviously for the time being, it's not really a W pattern because we have another 12, more or less 12 minutes to the clock until the next candlestick starts getting printed. So I'll just quickly have a look on the rest. You see if we're forming more or less the same thing, not so much on the Nasdaq. And the S&P is also not quite yet, but again, we can see the nice level or zone more or less right here. So again, I'm starting to see some pretty decent rejections, but again, it's pretty premature for now. There's like another 10 minutes more or less. So how's everybody doing? Did everybody enjoy their holidays? We're not really going to be having any trading holidays per se until, I don't know, I think next one's going to be during more or less Easter time, if I'm not mistaken. So the markets are going to be in full force. We're also going to be having the earnings season, which is going to be kicking off real soon as well. It usually starts mid-January because it's usually 2 weeks after the financial quarter is over. So the last financial quarter, the Q4 in 2019, was basically over in December. So the earnings season starts about halfway into January. So it's going to be pretty interesting to see one here. But obviously, it's very promising how they recently launched their new factory in China as well. So let's quickly have a look. Yeah, stop down from the Dow trade. The NQ not quite yet, and the S&P. So the Dow one is the one that's getting stopped out on this occasion. Yeah, ideally it would have been a great setup to take towards the long side. But again, guys, we have 2 minutes on the clock, so make sure you're popping in your questions right before the end of the stream.